G'day all, welcome back. So today I'm going to cook creamy chicken and mushroom with veggies in a Pojtie pot, the South African way. But I want to start with a little bit about the pot itself. See these rings on the outside of the pot? Well, if you times the amount of rings by the number on the lid, it gives you the amount of servings or portions that you get. So just a little bit of trivia for you. So as usual, we start with building the fire to get the coals needed to heat up the pot. And of course, a little bit of extra study doesn't go astray. So the first thing that we cut up are the carrots. Now it doesn't matter how you cut them, big, small, it's really up to you. Now because it's a hot day here in Australia, I'm putting all my veggies into ice water. This is because they'll be sitting around for a little while before I use them. Next, cut or cube 3 medium to large unpeeled potatoes. I just quartered mine. Next are 2 onions. Make sure that you either dice them or, like me, cut them into rings. These will melt away while cooking in the pot. Don't be like me. Cut your veggies together. I forgot a carrot. Now crush and dice 4 cloves of garlic. They don't have to be massively diced. Now cut up a bunch of bacon. I used the whole pack as I've got 12 people to feed tonight. Throw in about 75 grams of butter and let it melt, pushing it around the base of the pot. I've also thrown a piece of onion in there just to test it. Once you've reached the heat that you think is hot enough, throw in the garlic and the onion to brown. After that, throw in the bacon and let it cook for a minute or two. While the bacon, onion and garlic are cooking, get about 1 kilo of boned chicken thigh and season them with paprika. Once the bacon is cooked enough to your liking, throw in the seasoned chicken. Now from this point on, you don't stir the pot at all. It's all about layers, and it's done the South African way. While the chicken is cooking, pour 2 satchels of French onion soup from your local store. Mix with around 800 ml of liquid beef stock. After the chicken has been cooking for about half an hour, put in all your hard veggies as the next layer. Now pour in the French onion mix and 2 420 gram cans of cream of mushroom soup. After that, gently spread it over the vegetables with your wooden spoon. When it starts to boil, it's time to place the lid on. After about 2 hours, pour about a cup and a half of peas into the mix. After about 3 hours into the cooking stage, check to see how well done the potatoes are. Yep, all good. Now it's time to add the next layer. Now pour in 600 ml of thickened cream and add a punnet of either full or diced mushrooms. After about 30 minutes, tip in about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. So this has been cooking now for just around 4 hours. So it's time to check. And you've got to love the sound of the Aussie fauna, eh? Yep, ready to go. Bet you'd love to have smell-o-vision, eh? This meal was delicious, especially mixed with some white rice or whatever type of rice or mashed potato. Entirely up to you.